Okay, so I've been gearing up to do calibration on my Codaphone 700 after doing a whole bunch of different repairs, mods, and upgrades. So what I need to do is it requires a 1 kilohertz signal, and I've got a couple different signals I need to see to feed it. One of them is like a 4 millivolt signal. So I've set all this up. I've put the right modules in for doing this kind of work. I've got a function generator, so a sine wave generator, frequency counter, high resolution, and I put my rubidium clock to this, so this is really accurate. So it's 1 kilohertz coming out of the sine wave generator right now. And it's actually more stable than I would think. I mean, it's not bad. And then I had to use a 40 dB attenuator, that's what this is, and to get the voltage down from it down to the levels that I'm going to need. So that's 4 millivolts, and that's quite stable. So that's good. I can also monitor it. I can monitor the actual waveform itself, and that looks pretty good considering that's a 4 millivolt signal. That doesn't have much noise on it at all. And I can also look at it from a spectrum standpoint. The spectrum's quite good too. And there's some noise, obviously some noise spikes and stuff, but the center peak is the 1 kilohertz. So, and that's 10 dB per division. So that would be the 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, that's 60, that's like 70 dB down of noise components. So, so the signal looks pretty good for doing this calibration, and I can monitor all of it while I'm doing it. So that's the advantage of having all this gear, is I can quickly configure it to do almost anything that I need to do.